Hello everyone, just wanted to give everybody an update on our creek crossing project after its first rain. We got a little over an inch of rain last night. I'm not 100% sure, I haven't checked my gauge yet, but it seemed to hold up pretty well. The rock sure cleaned up very nice. Now that it washed off all the fines and everything, that all got locked in and seemed to lock it in pretty good. Definitely like the look of this rock now that it's cleaned up and washed up. You can tell we got a little bit of flow through there. We had some debris wash up that wasn't there, so I have to keep an eye on that. Got some deer tracks here. Deer are sure appreciating our nice crossing. I don't know if they can pull up on camera, but we do have a little bit of germination starting on our ryegrass. We unfortunately did have a little bit of erosion here on the hill. Wasn't terrible. I did expect some, but as you can see, more ryegrass coming in. It should still be a pretty healthy stand, even though we did lose a little bit. But definitely praise the Lord for the rain. We were very, very dry and wildfires happening around us. We're very, very thankful and blessed for the rain. See if I can get back up this hill without slipping down. I don't want to break nothing. There's no workman's comp on this job. Here from the top looking down, like I said, a little bit of erosion there, but all in all not too bad, because it was coming down pretty heavy last night for a brief period. Thank you everyone for all the views and the subscriptions I've got so early on. I'm very thankful for that. Just wanted to give everybody an update on the progress. Thank you.